Hi guys, Maddie here. We're gonna do voiceover. Go.
Shlam.
Alex made a goal. Ooh,
Let's go.
look at him. He's high-fiving because he's that.
Ooh, head bump.
Which one's Alex? Oh,
The guy with the mohawk.
Ooh, he jerked. He jerked.
He's juking them out.
Juke, 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 juke. I can't even see my dad. Pew. Well, this one's bright. He's bright. Look at it. He's fast.
He's fast, yeah.
He...
Oh, he just jumped over that guy.
Did he?
Yeah.
Oh. Pow. Is that the thing? Alex number 10. His name is Valpo. If any colleges are watching this video, get Alex because he's good.
Get Alex.
Get him. Best of the best. This is my dad. Oh, is that the goalie? How does the goalie end up on the floor?
What do you mean?
I don't know. Why do they look like convicts? They're wearing stripes.
Juked.
That's like the worst looking jersey I've ever seen in my life.
They made a goal. This is intense. They made another goal.
Really? His mohawk is red. We dyed his mohawk
Today.
We bleached it today. It's his birthday. Happy birthday, Alex. You're dad.
Happy birthday.
Happy
birthday
to
Happy
birthday.
Happy birthday, dear
Dad.
Happy birthday, you.
It's that. Ooh. Mikey.
That's great. That's not Mikey, is it Mikey?
Look at his mohawk. He's such a dad. Thanks to Alex's mom. Oh!
Dude, did you see that curve?
How does the ball do that?
It's the way your foot kicks it.
Thanks to Alex's mom for taking videos. You're the mom. Mom.
Mom. Farmers.com.
Okay. Farmersonly.com.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Ooh. Honestly?
How did they not trip over the ball? You think every time they kick it?
Look at how fast he's going. Oh my gosh. Oh. Whoa! Boom pow, Dad gets the win.
Boom
I
pow,
can't
chicken
see your
wow.
face, but I know it's you, Dad. You did rally good.
Rally?
You silly Dad.
Sully. Celery?
Yeah. I can't see, but I know it's you, Dad. You're really good, you silly Dad.
Okay, we
Lol,
understand.
haha, LOL. Get your butt out of my face.
What?
That guy's was in my face. Boom! Good job.
Let's go.
This one had a really tall guy recording it. I wonder how tall he was. Lol, haha.
Whoa.
Oof. They should zoom in because it's a tall guy. He's got a big camera.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Ooh. Bye, guys. See
Love
ya.
you, Dad.